Hello all, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to continue with the last intermediate level Python programming, and this is our final question for this intermediate level. So from the next video of Python programming, I'm going to make completely advanced. In advanced, it is basic understanding level programming. So if you might be having doubt that how this particular type of questions will be asked in intermediate, I have already given two videos and this is the third question. For advanced, it might be like this. So I just did in some other in the Visual Studio code. So this will be the intermediate level code. So now don't see this so that you will get confused again. I just close this tab. Okay. So yeah. Now this is the new question. Write a Python program to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit and back to Celsius is what they have given. So for this very simple thing, as usual, you have to take float, then input value, then please enter your temperature value. Okay, and this is how you end it. Now you must ask the person no whether you want to convert it from Celsius to degree Fahrenheit or what. For that type of question, I'm gonna give you one very good example, but for this there is no need of that. I'll show you at the last of the video or the end of the video about how you can take the input whether you want from Celsius to Fahrenheit. That's basically the advanced level. The code which I showed you previously, no, not in the previous video, now only in the Visual Studio. Yeah, those type of codes will be completely based on this temperature and all. So it will ask, would you want to try it again, and restarting the code by using while true loop, and you can use if else, and even so many things like how you will take the input whether you want to convert from Kelvin to Celsius, Fahrenheit to Celsius, Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Kelvin, whatever you want according to the user's wish. You can do that, and if the request is wrong, then it will show error by itself, not in the Python programming. It will show in the general. We have only given the print output print instead of how it is. So using else, that is all advanced level programming. Now let us come to this higher intermediate. This question is very simple, and for this, you just take it as so to find Celsius. So first one is this is input. So you get input. No, Celsius equals to whatever they have given a minus, so within brackets, this is how to from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, this is which is a minus 32 into 5 by 9 into 5 divided by 9. So this is from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now Celsius to Fahrenheit, F equals to what do you do here? A into 9 divided by 5 plus 32. So this is how. Now you just write the most common thing. If A equals to equal no. So for this you can just give print. That is if you have to use if means then that is little advanced, like basics of advanced programming. So yeah, this one is print. What is print now? You have to print Celsius, no? So given so given given temperature value to Celsius. So to Celsius is to what is it? If it is in Celsius, then you should write comma C, capital C, no? Yeah. Close the bracket. Another one, same thing, you just copy and change two words there. First word is that here, one is one letter, so you should type this as F, and here instead of Celsius it should be Fahrenheit. Okay, so now you just print the code. I've already saved this. So this is what, so this is the final one. Now for the proof, I'm just showing the calculator, and the temperature is already open. Now what I'm gonna do is typing 40. So 40 means, see here, given temperature in Celsius. So for Celsius it's wrong, but for Fahrenheit it's correct. So may I know the reason? I'll check once. So for Celsius, it is showing like this, A minus 32. So 40 minus 32 into 5 by 9. What is it in Celsius? I have given it as 40, no? So in Celsius, if it is 40, oh, so it will be 40 is Kelvin is what it thinks. So basically, our number is not an exact temperature, correct? So now it is like this. See, now this one is Fahrenheit 104. Oh, Fahrenheit 9 Celsius. And what was this? This was number 40 which I gave. So that's why 4.44. So we were also not wrong. Even the code is not wrong. The assumption which we thought was wrong, that's it. So what does that means? See, the temperature value, it's not specified is it degree Celsius or Fahrenheit. So this number, when you convert it to Celsius, this particular number, it's not from Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius. So if you want to convert it from Celsius to Fahrenheit, it's like this. So this is then 40, it will take it as Fahrenheit and you get 4.44. If 40 is at Celsius, then 104.0 is your Fahrenheit. So what is basically is that 40. So for this first answer Celsius, 40 is your Fahrenheit. For this Fahrenheit, this will change as Celsius, simple. Okay, but if you want it to be particularly specific only for one, and that code is complete, so this is your code for the day. But if you want to advanced, I'm typing it now. So what you do, no? So you just take a print first, print and ask the person that do you want do you want to convert the above temperature from from Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius, and you just close it. And if b equals to input, and input is just closing. Now you should add a statement. If b equals to c to f, then close this. Then print, so c to f, so it is basically f. Now elif, I'll add instead of else. So basically three are there, no, for if, elif, else. So here, elif, what I have written, if b equals to um, f to c, okay, then you should print c, okay. If these two are wrong, else what you should write, print please enter, okay fine, I did not put a quote, please enter correct value, correct, what is that, request. So it's not a real value, it's a request, no, you're putting the request. So that you close, and these two lines you can just remove because they are of no use now. Okay, so now you just run the code and you get the answer here. So first, what is it asking? Please enter your temperature. Let my temperature be 100. I want to convert this from Celsius to Fahrenheit. You got 2 and 2, which is the proper answer. Now I close this and I rerun this code and I type 2 and 2 and F2C. So you got 100, which is also correct. Now for else, how to prove else statement is proper or not? Now you see this. Now I type one number and now I type C by mistake. I forgot and I type C capital and F. So it will give this. Please enter correct request according to this. No. So according to this syntax. So this is how the intermediate level gets completed. Beginner level was the first video, and this is the third video, or this is the fourth video. The other three were the intermediate level. If you have not seen the first three videos, then do go to my channel. There in the playlist these videos are uploaded, and do watch them. Okay, so until then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.